2003 Chevrolet Monte Carlo SS. Two-owner car, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. I believe it was a little over 113,000. We'll get around to the driver's side after doing a walk around, start it up, let you hear it run, check out the interior engine bay. Paint does show its age some. Now you see the graphics on it. So we're kind of doing a replica of a Earnhardt edition. 3,800 V6 underneath the hood, so all reliable underneath there. Automatic transmission with overdrive, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there, and of course you can call us 507-386-1726. Of course, leather bucket seats up front, shifter on the floor, down the console, power sunroof, that is in working order, FYI. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Now, text did note traction control, ABS light on, being sold as is, reflected in the price. This is one of those cars, get in and drive it. A lot of people on these would rather have the ABS and traction control not on. So we're leaving it the way it is, pricing it accordingly. Just one that came in onto trade from us. Somebody wants nice transportation without breaking the bank. Here you go. Power steering, power brakes, and AC, of course, underneath the hood. AC was cold. Power windows, power locks, mirror, power driver's seat. Actually, there's heated seats on the center console, steering wheel controls, all your modern amenities you're going to get on a 2003 Monte Carlo SS. All right, here's exact miles right there. 117. Sorry, I said 119. 117, 349. Fire it up so you can hear it run. Smooth running car. At 3,800, you know those will go a long time. Dash looks good. Does have an aftermarket Alpine tuner in it. And like I said, mentioned ABS, traction control. And again, sold as is. One of those you want to save a few bucks, fix it yourself, or just drive it the way it is. Either way. Slip around to the back. Sounds as you expect, not smoking. Smooth running engine. Getting that 3,800, kind of bulletproof. Everybody knows the reliability of those. I'm going to pause this a second, pop the hood, let's check out the engine bay. We'll wrap this video up. Alright, hood liner, engine bay. And you can see all this in the still pictures. There's probably 80-90 pictures of this car online, undersides, interior, trunk, engine bay. This sounds smooth, that is. Owned a few of these myself. Got two of them close to 300,000 on them without really doing a whole lot of maintenance. 2003 Chevrolet Monte Carlo. Two-owner car, clean Carfax. A little over 117,000 miles. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Hang on. Hello?
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 2003 Chevrolet Monte Carlo. As you can see, it is winter in Minnesota, but the roads are dry today, so we're able to do some driving videos for you. This car is a comfortable, easy to drive car. Good acceleration.
Pandemic. We were trying.
Got a radio aftermarket in here from Alpine. Responsive throttle. Nice and straight down the road. Not very much noise at all from the wind. Blower motor works well. Wipers work well. It's a good handling car. They made a lot of these and they're reliable. All our gauges are functioning.